Good morning, children. So, welcome to our English reader class. So, please take out your page number 12. Next is our poem, that is your Silent Snake. So, let's recite this poem. So, before reciting this poem, here you must have noticed that this is written anonymous. This otherwise here what should be there? A name of the writer, but here it is written anonymous. The meaning of this word is that we do not know who has written this poem. So here we are not knowing the name of the writer, so this is the reason anonymous is written here. So this poem is again about the snake. As we all know, snakes are the creature that belong to the reptile group of animals, and they are legless creatures. Legless means that they do not have legs to move on from one place to other. Like we people have legs to move from one place to another, but snakes do not have legs to move from one place to other. Now, how do they move? If they do not have legs, they crawl to move from one place to other. So this poem is about silent snake, and main character of the poem is our silent snake only. So first recite the poem, then I'll explain you. The birds go fluttering in the air. The rabbits run and skip. Brown squirrels race along the bough. The mayflies rise and dip. But while these creatures play and leap, the silent snake goes creepy creep. The birdies sing and whistle loud. The busy insects hum. The squirrels chat. The frogs say croak. But the snake is always dumb. With not a sound through grasses deep, the silent snake goes creepy creep. So here in the first line, the birds go fluttering in the air means the birds are flying in the air. They are here. The word fluttering means here that the birds, they are making a sound of fluttering with their wings when they are flying. You must have seen the rabbits. Here it is written the rabbits run and skip. So you must have seen rabbit. They are very cute creature. Some people keep them as a pet also. So they are always running and skipping here and there. Here also the rabbits run and skip. Skip means jump. So rabbits are running. Rabbits are enjoying jumping here and there. So next comes brown squirrels race along the bough. Here brown, if you find this, have you seen squirrel? They are brown in color. They usually run from one branch of tree to another branch. They run very fast. Okay, so same way here also they are saying that this it is shown here also the squirrel, it is running from one bough to other, one branch of a tree to other again. And next they say the mayflies rise and dip. Mayfly means mayfly actually found near the water only. Okay, and it is again insect with the wings. Here rise mean up, dip mean down. So what the mayflies are doing, they are going up and down. While all these creature are enjoying themselves. Okay, like we have discussed about the birds, rabbits, squirrels, mayflies. All these creatures are enjoying, are playing, leaping. What are this snake? What does this snake is doing? The snake is very silent, quiet, is moving on the grass, is slithering on the grass. What is the meaning of slithering? Slithering means moving very smoothly on a grass. So our silent snake is also slithering on a grass. The bird is singing whistle loud. The birds, if you have noticed, early morning the birds are singing, chopping. Okay, it's really very interesting also watching them singing, chopping, and enjoying themselves. Here also what the birds are doing, birds are singing and they are having a very good time. You must have seen that the insects also, here written the busy insects hum. So you must have seen insects also. They used to hum, the bees, like bees also. They are making the sounds of buzz. Same way, the insects are humming here. Squirrels chat, the frogs croak. So squirrel chat means talking. The squirrels are here again talking. And a frog is making a sound of croak, croak, croak. Okay, the snake, now what again? Snake is making any sound? No, it is again silent. Dumb means silent. Okay, snake is silent, and again with not a sound through grasses deep. Again it is not making any sound and just slithering on a grass. Okay, so this was all in your this silent snake. So next come to beta this, take the correct answers, do in your book only. The squirrels race along the grass bow field. The answer is bow. The birds sing and the insects, what they are doing? Chatting, hop or hum? Hum. The dash say croak. Who says croak? Frog. So take the word frog. Come to the next exercise, children. This. We can join certain words to make new words. Match the columns to join the words. Write the new words in the blanks. So don't again match this way. Instead of that, you just write down here. Lady. Again, lady bug. So in front of this, you write down ladybug. Okay. Second, first is already done. Mayflies for you. It is already done. Second is rattle. Rattlesnake. Right in front of it, rattlesnake. Next is your sea horse. Seahorse. Grass hopper. So this is all in your this grammar fun will do in a next video because it comes in your English 1 class. So that will do in English 1 class only. Children, again recite the poem and try to understand it and have a good day, beta.